Dino's Workshop.
Hey up, as you can probably see, I've made a planter here. I'll give you an idea on how I've made this. I can't give you the exact sizes because these troughs tend to come in different sizes. I've made one or two of these in the past and they can kind of vary slightly on size. But it tends to be around about 600 by 500 high by about 300 deep. Before we go any further, I get a lot of people to the channel. Sort of 95% of the traffic through the channel don't tend to subscribe. You know, it doesn't cost anything, so it'd be good if you could subscribe to the channel and keep me ticking over. It'd be great. I'm hovering around about the 600 subscribers at the moment, and it'd be great to get up to that 1,000. So any help would be appreciated. But anyway, let's crack on and I'll show you how I made this. Right, what I've done, I've cut a load of parts. What I do, the way I put them together is I take a couple of them. Let me move the camera around a bit. So I've got a couple of them, ones. They'll be sort of like that, and then that's that. And basically, that's like the back of the bench, if you like, and then a couple there, and those are in between there, and that's like the front of the bench. And then what I do, I have these ones here kind of going in between. So what I'll do, I'll put them together. Basically, I tend to just screw and glue them. So I'll do that and then I'll get back to you. Now I've glued the front and the backs together and screwed them. And this is basically kind of what I've got. Let me zoom the camera out a bit. If I can. Yeah, but anyway, that's what I've got. That's the back. And then this one's the front. And now I need these legs here to kind of go in between them. So I'll fix them on and then I'll show you what we've got. But basically what I've done, I've used these screws. I can't remember what size they are. 60mm decking screws. And some, I always tend to use a bit of wood glue as well. So hopefully it holds them together better. So now I've put it all together, all the framework, glued and screwed. I'll be honest with you, I kind of make them up as I go along because it depends on what size pots I use, and there's all different sizes of pots. So it's like 1 week you can get one pot and another size, but I've made one or two of these in the past, so anyway, you kind of get used to altering sizes to suit. Now it's time to paint the frame. So what I'm going to do is paint it with this Cuprinol Willow. This one here. So now that's the framework painted. As you can see, there's bits that I haven't painted, and that's because there's going to go wood on top of them, and I kind of use wood glue, which I'm not sure if the paint had hindered it in the wood glue sticking, but anyway, I'll leave it off because of that. I use wood glue and pins to put the bits and bobs on. So that's where we are with that now. Some bits of scrap here now to make some more bits as I need. So I'm going to cut the back pieces out of this piece here and this piece here, and then I've got to make some sort of armrests and then like a base for the plastic tub to go in. So that's the back. This is the back made now, the two parts, and then the two arms made, and I've got to make the base for the trough now. Now I've got the trough insert, or the plastic tub insert, and what I want to do now, I'm going to pocket all these and then screw them and wood glue them, and that's how I'll put that together. Right, so that's the base, if you like, for this, and then the tub just sits in it like that. That's the idea. Right, what I'm going to do is engrave this logo into the top plate, like the backing plate, engrave it into there. Everything's painted up now, just got to let it dry and then we'll put it all together. Right, time to put it together. That's using a bit of wood glue and then my pen nailer. Couple of pins and gone in again proper. So time for the hammer. Now I'm going to put the back on. Now it's time to put the arms on. But one last thing I want to do, I've just remembered, is I stick these nylon glide things on. And it's just to help protect the feet a bit, if you like. Just try and help it a bit from the weather. That's it. Jobs are good un. And that's the finished thing. Hopefully some mum somewhere will be happy with it. Right, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you like what you see. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And give me all the support you can. Hopefully I'll catch you on the next video. See you again.